In this guide, I'm going to show you how to leap with the Hidden Violence District on Roblox. First things first, of course, you do have to own the Hidden in order to go ahead and do this. But while you're playing as the Hidden, you just need to activate the leap ability and aim in the direction that you want to travel. Once you use it, the Hidden launches forward through the air, and you can use leap to quickly close distance on survivors or move across parts of the map faster. It can also carry you over pallets, windows, and other obstacles, which makes it especially useful during chases. Just try aiming slightly ahead of the survivor, so when you land, you'll land essentially right on top of them, or land where they're going instead of where they currently are. If you can get them off, you're gonna almost get every single one of them. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.